This jacket has a tear. Excuse me, do you have a minute?
Sure. How can I help you?
I have a problem with my jacket. Look, there's a tear here on the sleeve.
Oh, I see it. That's a pretty big tear.
Yes, I noticed it this morning. I don't know how it happened.
Can I take a closer look?
Of course. Here you go.
Okay, let me check the fabric. This is a good quality jacket.
Yes, it's my favorite one. I really like the color.
It's a nice jacket. Where did the tear start, do you know?
I think it happened when I caught it on a door handle.
Ah, that makes sense. The tear is right along the seam.
Is that good or bad?
Actually, it's good. Seam tears are usually easier to fix.
Oh, that's a relief. I was worried I couldn't wear it anymore.
Don't worry, we can definitely help you.
Great. What are my options?
Well, we have two main options for this kind of repair.
Okay, tell me about them.
The first option is a simple hand stitch. It's quick and affordable.
And the second option?
The second option is a machine repair with reinforced thread. It's stronger.
What's the difference in price?
The hand stitch is $12. The machine repair is $20.
That's a good price difference.
Yes, the machine repair also looks a bit neater.
Will the hand stitch be visible?
It might be slightly visible, but we use matching thread color.
What color thread would you use?
We have black, gray, and navy blue. Your jacket looks navy blue.
Yes, exactly. Navy blue would be perfect.
Good. We can match it closely.
How long does the hand stitch take?
The hand stitch usually takes about 20 minutes.
And the machine repair?
The machine repair takes about 40 minutes.
I'm actually in a bit of a hurry today.
I understand. Do you need it very soon?
I have an appointment in 1 hour.
Then the hand stitch might be a better choice for today.
Okay, let's go with the hand stitch.
Sure, but can I ask you something first?
Yes, go ahead.
Do you wear this jacket often?
Yes, almost every week. It's very comfortable.
In that case, I'd actually recommend the machine repair.
Really? Why is that?
Because a hand stitch can loosen again with regular use.
Oh, I didn't think about that.
The machine repair will last much longer for daily wear.
That's helpful information. Thank you for telling me.
No problem. It's your choice, of course.
Can I come back later today for the machine repair?
Yes, that works well. What time can you come back?
I finish my appointment around 3 o'clock.
Perfect. We close at 6, so there's plenty of time.
Great. Should I pay now or later?
You can pay when you pick up the jacket.
Do you accept card payment?
Yes, we accept both cash and card.
Good. I usually pay by card.
That's fine. Now let me write down your information.
Okay.
Can I have your name, please?
My name is Mali.
How do you spell your last name?
L-I Mali.
Got it. And your phone number?
It's 555-213-4068.
Thank you. I'll write a note for the repair.
What will you write?
Machine repair, navy blue thread, sleeve seam tear.
That sounds right.
I'll also check the pocket zipper. I noticed it looks a little loose.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
It's small, but I can fix it at the same time if you like.
Would that cost extra?
It's a small job, so it's only $5 more.
Okay, please fix that too.
Sure. So the total will be $25.
That's reasonable. Please go ahead.
Great. I'll start working on it after my current job.
How many jackets are ahead of mine?
Just one small repair. It won't take long.
Okay, that's good to hear.
Your jacket should be ready by 3:30.
Perfect. That works with my schedule.
I'll put a tag with your name on the jacket.
Sounds good. Is there anything else I need to do?
Just come back after 3 o'clock and ask for Jack.
Okay, Jack. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, Molly. See you later today.
See you then. I finished my appointment early, so I decided to come back a bit sooner.
Oh, hello again. That was fast.
Yes, the appointment didn't take as long as I expected.
Well, good timing. Your jacket is actually almost ready.
Really? That's great news.
Give me about 5 more minutes to finish the zipper.
No problem, I can wait.
Feel free to have a seat over there.
Thank you.
So, how was your appointment?
It went well. It was just a dentist appointment.
I hope everything was okay.
Yes, just a regular checkup. Nothing serious.
That's good to hear.
Can I ask something while I wait?
Of course, go ahead.
Do you also repair other clothes, like pants or shirts?
Yes, we repair almost everything. Pants, shirts, coats, even bags.
Oh, that's useful to know.
We also do alterations, like shortening pants or sleeves.
I might bring my winter coat next time. The sleeves are too long.
No problem. Just bring it in and we'll measure it for you.
How much does shortening sleeves usually cost?
It depends on the coat, but usually around $15 to $20.
That's not too expensive.
It's a common request, especially in winter.
Good to know. I'll keep that in mind.
All right, your jacket is ready now.
Oh, wonderful. Let me see it.
Here you go. Take a look at the sleeve.
Wow, I can barely see the repair.
The navy blue thread blends in really well.
And the zipper feels much smoother now.
Yes, I tightened the mechanism inside.
This looks amazing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'm glad you're happy with it.
The total was $25, right?
That's correct. Cash or card today?
I'll pay by card.
Sure, here's the card reader.
There you go.
Payment confirmed. Here's your receipt.
Thank you. Do I need this receipt for anything?
It's just proof of payment, in case you need it later.
Okay, I'll keep it in my bag.
Sounds good.
I'm really impressed with how careful and neat the work is.
Thank you. That means a lot.
I'll definitely bring my winter coat next time.
We'd be happy to help with that, too.
Do I need to make an appointment for that?
Not necessary, but calling ahead can save you waiting time.
Good idea. I'll call before I come.
Perfect. Just ask for me, Jack.
I will. Thanks again for everything today.
You're welcome, Molly. Have a great rest of your day.
You too. See you next time.
See you soon.